These are nice trails, man. Single trails, single lanes. Just got a butterfly in my mouth. Ah, it's alive. Flew off all right. And monsoon is the season to do it as well. Just saving myself from some branches. Yeah. Himalayan just sails along, man. This is one aspect of this bike that has impressed me time and again. It just sails through. No complaints. Now I think this is the border of someone's private property, but we are out of it. We are in government land. And a lot of cows. Lots and lots. Ah, this is fun, yaar. What can I say? This is just fun. Yeah, and as you might have seen in my last video, I have adjusted the preload and I'm quite happy with it. So the bike came with the 3-step as stock, and I have taken it to, I took it to 4th step within first week, and since then last week I changed it to 5 steps, and since then I've been having a jolly good time, man. This has been fun. It has been excellent off-road, and it has just been excellent on the road as well. Now, let me remind you, I am 80 kg, 5'10". I have said that repeatedly. So, for my weight, for my habit of riding, I find 5-step to be step, groove, or notch, whatever you want to call it. So I'm at the 5th step, and I don't think I need to go any higher, or I don't even think I need to go a bit lower. So this is fun. Yeah, grip is just perfect. Earlier what used to happen was it was just sogging up and down, and that was a bit of a problem. Now I don't see my friend. Should I wait for him? He's coming, he's coming. And here we go. Here he is. So yeah, as I was saying, earlier on the off-road as well as on-road, it used to just be a bit soggy. And it was at that time when I realized that the sag is just not properly adjusted. Now, do I think I can climb up there? Whoa! I did not think the bike would be able to do it. Impressed. Again impressed. A bit exhausted. So I think we should take a U-turn from this point, a bit at a time. So let's see how the descent is going to be. Hopefully no dramas there. Okay, slight ascent here as well. This is gonna be tough. This is gonna be very tough. This is, oh my God. Yeah, This was tough. Yeah, I had to sit down. Couldn't do this kind of a descent standing. I'm learning. I'll get there. Yeah, good enough. These are all just practicing exercises. Weather is kind of nice as well. Weather was the main influx that we decided, okay. Otherwise, otherwise, in the heat, it can be slightly problematic. But nonetheless, this is nice. All in the wilderness. Yeah, the side stand still hits sometimes, but that's okay. I mean, it's not as bad as it was earlier before I adjusted the preload, so that was not an exercise in futility. That has paid off well. I've got good clearance. The grip has not suffered. What else do you need? So as I was saying, yeah, I'm pretty much okay with this setup now. And the bike is ready for whatever. That incline was steep. I had my doubts. I honestly did. Now this is going to be a problem. Overtaking the sweet animals. Please let me go. Thank you. Nice, nice cows. Single tracks are always fun. That is all I should say. The only problem here is the thorn bushes that the localites, lay sometime on the ground. This is what the localites do so that vehicles don't get here. That's understandable. They don't want anyone to mess with their peace. Nah, this is not where we came from. Yeah, that happens. That's all good. How are we gonna do that with the ABS? Now his bike only has the front ABS. Good for him. Mine does not. Well, that should be okay. Oh, that is not too steep. Yeah. Not too bad. I think we came from the right. Yeah, I mean, it is going to take some muscle memory before we actually learn the entire route. Yeah, this is where we come from. Going from this side. Incline, not a problem. The bike is doing okay. I need to. Yeah, this is where we came from. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I did. It did. Yes, this is the place. Okay. Now, oh my God, that was quite a save. That was quite a save. Ah. And it was this way after that. Yeah. This part I know. My goodness. That was quite an exercise. Oh. Sand, no problem. Incline, no problem. All is good on this one. I'm starting to love it. Ah, nice. The rocks where I had my last incident. Good, good, good. All clear this time. A good day, a good exercise, a good ride. Climbed the part of incline which I thought might be slightly difficult. Lost control at one point. Saved myself neatly. And he is doing a remarkable job as well. And would you believe his is a new bike? And he's still taking their chance. That is good. Now this is always a tricky one. Yeah. Okay. Sail through. Okay then. Ciao. That was it for today. Hope you enjoyed the ride. See ya.